In this video, I will show you how to add product categories in WordPress. First, open your WordPress dashboard and make sure WooCommerce is installed on your website. From the left menu, hover over Products and then click on Categories. This section allows you to create and manage all product categories for your online store. On the left side, you will see the option to add a new category. Start by entering the category name you want to create. The slug will usually generate automatically, but you can also customize it if needed. If you want this category to be placed under another category, use the parent category dropdown and select one. Next, you can add a short description for the category. Below that, you also have the option to upload a thumbnail image, which may appear on your shop page depending on your theme settings. Once everything is ready, click on the Add New Category button. After creating the category, it will appear in the list on the right side. To assign products to this category, go to Products and either create a new product or edit an existing one. Inside the product editor, look for the Product Categories section on the right side and simply check the category you want to use. Then click Update or Publish to save the changes. That's it. Your product category has now been added successfully in WordPress using WooCommerce. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel